Can TSMC really be the best stock right now? The one that goes 10x in 10 years? Because if it is, then missing it could be the biggest investing mistake of this decade. Let's put it to the test. Hi, I'm Ace and I built a 400k portfolio in just 5 years in my early 20s by following Buffett's value principles and using the 18-year cycle. And when people ask me which stocks actually can dominate in the next decade, TSMC always comes up. But does it actually pass the test? Step 1. Valuation. Right now, TSMC is trading at a PE ratio of around 26, and you compare that with Nvidia at 50 to 60 or Palantir at over 500. Now, for a company with net margins around 43%, a 30% year-over-year earnings growth, and a balance sheet cleaner than most every single peer, that valuation is not crazy for TSMC. It is very reasonable. The question, however, is whether growth can actually match it. Step 2. Fundamentals. Now, this is where TSMC actually shines. The current ratio is over 2, debt to equity is just under 0.22, and return on assets a stunning 22%. And return on equity actually quite well above the 15% bar. In plain English, they make more money per dollar of assets than almost anyone. And the moat? They are the go-to company for AI revolution. Apple, Nvidia, and AMD all depends on TSMC to make their chips. If AI grows, if any of these three companies grow, TSMC gets paid no matter who wins. Step 3, the cycle. Now this is where timing actually matters. Now we're late in the 18-year expansion where speculative stocks and high multiples, high PE names tend to get crushed hard. Now value compounders with real cash flow and good fundamentals like TSMC have better chances through the downturn and a good opportunity to load up on during the bottom. Now Warren Buffett's principles fits perfectly. It's better to buy a wonderful business at a fair price than a fair business at a wonderful price. However, overall, I'm not stacking on too much money on a particular stock right now, just because we're, in my opinion, quite near the peak where everything is very overvalued. I'm holding more cash to wait on for when there are more opportunities with margins of safety. If I don't see things that meet my criteria with a good price, I am not buying. Well, there you have it. I do share my full frameworks, including modes, math, and cycle, plus the exact stocks that pass in my free newsletter. Link in bio. Now, question. What do you think? Is TSMC the ultimate 10x play, or will someone else steal the crown? Comment down below. I'll be reading.